There are certain things that people are innately drawn to. Things that move and things that light up. Just kind of like a moth flies towards a fire. My name is Jason Krugman, and I'm a light sculptor. My work is always present with me. I'm constantly thinking about things that are interesting to me from an artistic and functional standpoint. A lot of that finds its way into the environment I develop around myself. It's important that my style be versatile because over the course of a day, I'm doing a lot of different things. My studio is kind of like a hybrid model of an art studio. It's at once technology and prototyping space, but also a pretty intense fabrication space. My style and aesthetic is largely based upon the combinations of organic with electronic materials. As part of my process, I'm constantly pulling in materials from around me. And when I find something, it's great because it means that I have the freedom to mess around with it in any way. My artwork mainly has to be aesthetically beautiful, but it also has to be very practical and functional. One of the great things about working with LEDs is that they're very durable materials. So as long as you treat them right, they tend to last for many, many years. I like wearing clothes that are fairly minimal, that help me to just move about freely and think about what I'm working on creatively. In my work, I'm constantly trying to balance form and functionality, and it's the same with the way that I dress. I'm most productive when I have a good balance. When I finish work, it's really important for me to have a little bit of social time to hang out with some of my friends. In my future, I'd love to continue to cultivate the ecosystem around me. I really want to make work that's plugged into the environment that people are living in and that make people inspired and feel happy about the spaces that they're in.